Ready for your business trip?
I'm nervous. So much to do before tomorrow.
Don't worry, we'll get everything done today.
Okay, let me check the list.
What do we still need?
I need a suit for the conference.
Right? And what else?
Some medicine for the trip, just in case.
Good idea. What about your credit card?
I need to set up international access at the bank.
And we need to pack your suitcase tonight.
And check in online for the flight.
That's a lot. Let's start with the suit.
I know a store on Main Street.
Perfect. Let's go after breakfast.
Thank you for helping me, Sarah.
That's what partners are for. Hi, we're looking for a business suit.
Welcome. Is this for a special occasion?
My husband has a conference in New York.
Great. Any color preference?
I think navy would look good on him.
Navy is very popular for business. What size?
He's a 40 regular.
Let me show you this one. Wool blend, wrinkle resistant.
Oh, that's perfect for traveling.
Yes, very easy to pack. The fitting room is this way.
Tom, go try it on.
How does it fit, sir?
He says the sleeves are a bit long.
No problem. We can do alterations.
How long does that take?
Just 2 hours. We can have it ready today. That's great.
How much is everything?
The suit is $350. Alterations are free above $300.
We'll take it. We'll pick it up later today.
Sounds good. I'll have it ready by 3 p.m.
That was quick. Good suit.
Yeah, I really like the color.
Navy looks great on you.
Now I actually feel ready for the conference.
See? One thing done already.
What's next on the list?
We should get some travel medicine.
Right, I always get headaches on long flights.
There's a pharmacy 2 blocks away.
Let's walk. It's a nice day.
Sure, we can stop at the bank after.
You planned this.
Well, I made a route. Pharmacy, bank, then pick up your suit.
What would I do without you?
You'd forget half the list.
Probably true.
Hi there. How can I help you?
Hi, I need some travel supplies.
Sure. What are you looking for?
Something for headaches. I get them on flights.
I recommend this one. It's over the counter. No prescription needed.
How many should I take?
The dosage is 2 tablets every 6 hours.
Got it. Do you have motion sickness pills too?
Yes, these are very popular with travelers. They work fast.
Great. I'll take both.
Do you need any toiletries? We have travel size kits.
What's in the kit?
Toothpaste, shampoo, and body wash. All under 100 milliliters.
Perfect. Those are carry-on approved, right?
Yes, TSA approved for carry-on bags.
I'll take 1 kit. Anything else I should bring?
Band-aids and hand sanitizer. Very useful for travel.
Good thinking. Add those too.
Your total is $28.50.
Here you go. Thank you so much.
Have a great trip.
Good afternoon. How can I help you?
Hi, I'm traveling to New York tomorrow for business.
I see. Are you concerned about using your card overseas?
Yes, what are the international fees?
Let me check your account. You have the standard card.
That's right.
There's a 3% foreign transaction fee on each purchase.
That adds up fast.
We have a travel rewards card with 0 foreign fees.
Can I get one before tomorrow?
We can expedite it. $25 for next day delivery.
Let's do that.
I also recommend setting a travel alert on your current card.
What does that do?
It tells our system you're traveling. Your card won't be blocked.
That's important. I didn't know about that.
Many people forget. Where are you staying?
Marriott near Times Square.
Got it. I'll set the alert for 5 days in New York.
One more question. Should I bring cash?
A little. Maybe $200 for tips and small purchases.
Can I withdraw dollars here?
Yes. Our exchange rate today is very good.
Great. I'll take $200 in cash.
Here you go. Anything else?
That's everything. Thank you so much for your help.
Look at us. Everything's done.
Suit, medicine, bank, all checked off.
I told you we'd finish in one day.
You were right. I feel so much better now.
Did you set the travel alert?
Yes, and I got $200 in cash for tips.
Smart. Tipping is important in New York.
The bank lady was really helpful.
See? Everyone wants to help you.
Now we just need to park tonight.
And check in online for your flight.
Right. When does online check-in open?
Usually 24 hours before the flight.
My flight is at 3 p.m. tomorrow, so it should be open now.
Let's do that first when we get home.
Good plan.
Okay, open the airline website.
I'm on it. Let me find check-in.
Do you have your confirmation number?
Yes, it's in my email. Hold on. Got it.
Put in your last name and the number.
Done. It's showing my flight details.
3 p.m. departure, arriving at JFK at 8 p.m.
Now it's asking me to choose a seat.
Window or aisle?
Window. I want to see the skyline.
Seat 14A is available. That's a window.
Perfect. Selected.
Are you checking a bag?
1 checked bag and 1 carry-on.
What's the weight limit for checked bags?
Let me check. 50 pounds. That's about 23 kilos.
Okay, we need to weigh your suitcase later.
Good idea. Done. Boarding pass is saved on my phone.
Print a paper copy too, just in case.
You're always thinking ahead.
That's my job.
Okay, let's pack. Where's your suitcase?
Under the bed. Let me get it.
Start with the suit. Hang it in the garment bag.
Good idea. I don't want it wrinkled.
Roll your casual clothes. It saves space.
Like this?
Yes, much better than folding.
Should I pack my laptop in the suitcase?
No, always keep it in your carry-on.
Right, and my charger too.
Don't forget a power adapter. New York uses Type B plugs.
We have one somewhere.
Check the drawer. I put it there last time.
Found it. What about the toiletries?
Put the travel size kit in a Ziploc bag.
For the security check.
Yes, liquids must be in a clear bag for TSA.
Smart. What else?
Business cards, presentation files,
Presentation is on my laptop, but yes, I need business cards.
they're on your desk.
Got them. I think that's everything.
Let me weigh the suitcase. 38 pounds, under the limit.
We did it.
Yes, we did. All packed and ready to go.
Everything's done. How do you feel?
So much better. I was a mess this morning.
Let me check the list one more time.
Okay, go ahead.
Suit,
Picked up, hanging in the garment bag.
travel medicine,
Packed in my carry-on.
credit card and cash,
Travel card arrives tomorrow morning.
boarding pass,
Saved on my phone and printed.
suitcase,
Packed in 38 under the limit.
charger, adapter, business cards.
All in my bag.
You're all set, honey.
I couldn't have done this without you.
You're going to do great at the conference.
I'll call you every night.
You better.
I promise. And next time we go together, a real vacation.
I love that. Now get some sleep. Big day tomorrow.
Good night, honey.
Good night. Sweet dreams of New York.
Is that your phone?
It is the 6 a.m. alarm.
It's so early.
We planned the morning run.
I remember, but I'm tired.
Listen to that sound.
Is that the wind?
No, it is the rain.
Is it a big storm?
No, just a steady rain.
It makes me want to stay.
We need to hit our goal.
3 miles today.
Yes, for our fitness plan.
I'm closing my eyes.
No, open them slowly.
Give me a hand.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
We are finally up.
What should we wear for rain?
Avoid cotton today.
Because it gets heavy.
Yes, it stays wet.
I'm grabbing my tech shirt.
Good. Wear the long sleeves.
Where's my rain shell?
It's in the back corner.
The one with the hood?
Yes, that is the one.
I need my running tights.
Are they dry?
Yes, I washed them yesterday.
I can't find my cap.
Look on the top shelf.
Got it. The visor helps.
I'm lacing up my shoes.
Are those waterproof?
They are Gore-Tex.
Perfect for this weather.
Are you taking the umbrella?
Yes, just in case.
We will use it if the rain gets heavier. What should we wear for rain?
Avoid cotton today.
Because it gets heavy.
Yes, it stays wet.
I'm grabbing my tech shirt.
Good. Wear the long sleeves.
Where's my rain shell?
It's in the back corner.
The one with the hood?
Yes, that is the one.
I need my running tights.
Are they dry?
Yes, I washed them yesterday.
I can't find my cap.
Look on the top shelf.
Got it. The visor helps.
I'm lacing up my shoes.
Are those waterproof?
They are Gore-Tex.
Perfect for this weather.
Are you taking the umbrella?
Yes, just in case.
We will use it if the rain gets heavier.
The air is so sharp.
Take a deep breath.
The street is glowing.
It's the wet asphalt.
The rain is very light.
It's just a mist.
Should we start now?
Let's stretch first.
My calves are tight.
Do some lunges now.
My muscles feel stiff.
Stretch your hamstrings too.
That feels much better. Let's start jogging. Watch the puddles.
The sidewalk is clear.
Let's do the big loop.
Past the park.
Yes, towards the... How is your heart?
It is beating fast.
My breathing is heavy.
Keep a steady pace.
The air feels wet.
It's good for lungs.
Look at the grass.
It's very bright green.
I'm feeling warmer now.
The blood is moving.
No more cold shivers.
You are doing great.
Is the rain changing?
It's getting a bit heavier.
I feel bigger drops.
On your face.
Yes, and my shoulders.
Is your shell working?
Yes, water is sliding.
Are you dry inside?
Totally dry, not wet.
My cap is wet.
But the brim works.
It keeps eyes clear.
Should we speed up?
Yes, push the pace.
My legs feel strong.
We are almost there.
I love this feeling.
No stopping. Let's go.
1 more mile left.
We can do this.
I see the bakery.
We finished our goal.
3 miles is done.
You did so well.
We stayed very strong.
I feel so proud.
My body feels loose.
My mind is clear.
I am so happy.
Is it open yet?
The sign says open.
Let's eat breakfast here.
Yes, refuel our bodies. It's so warm here.
It smells like cinnamon.
I'm ordering my favorite.
The blueberry muffin.
No, the bran muffin.
That is very healthy.
What is your choice?
A plain toasted bagel.
With regular cream cheese.
Yes, and large coffee.
I want hot tea.
It warms the soul.
I am so hungry.
This warm food is perfect.
Let's open the umbrella.
It's a big one.
We can both fit.
Hold my arm.
Walking is nice too.
The rain is peaceful.
The air is fresh.
The street is quiet.
Usually we are sleeping.
Yes, and our beds.
I love this feeling.
Me too. It is special.
My shoes are soaked.
But your heart is happy.
Yes, I feel proud.
We didn't give up.
Run again tomorrow.
Yes, same time.
Rain or shine.
Rain or shine.
The shower was hot.
I feel so fresh.
Put on clean clothes.
My brain is awake.
No more sleepy fog.
I'm ready for work.
Your energy is high.
Better than before, right?
Much better.
I will work fast.
Today will be great.
Happy morning.
Tonight.
Thank you for inviting us, Linda.
Yes, it was a nice evening.
I hope you had a good time.
We did. The food was great and everyone was friendly.
I was nervous at first, but I feel better now.
That's normal. Next time will be even easier.
Absolutely. Maybe a barbecue next month?
That sounds fun.
We'll bring dessert next time.
Perfect. Have a safe walk home.
Thanks, Linda. Good night.
Good night.
That was not as bad as I thought.
See, you survived the party.
I even talked to Mark and tried the cake.
You did great. I'm proud of you.
Thanks for pushing me to go.
Sometimes we need a little push to try new things.
I still feel a bit tired from all the talking.
That's normal. Social things can be exhausting.
But I'm glad we went.
Me too. The food was good and we met new people.
Next time, maybe I'll talk even more.
That's the spirit.
Let's go home and relax now.
Yes, I need some tea and a quiet sofa. Tom, what did you learn tonight?
I learned that small talk is not as scary as I thought.
And?
That most people are just as nervous as I am.
Exactly. Everyone wants to be liked and feel comfortable.
I also learned that cake makes everything better.
True.
I think I can try more social things now.
I'll be with you every time.
Thanks, Sarah.
You're welcome. Now let's get some sleep.
Good night.
Good night, Tom. Good morning, Tom.
Good morning, Sarah.
How do you feel after last night's party?
Honestly, I feel good. I was nervous, but I'm glad we went.
You did really well.
I was surprised I could do it.
See, you just needed a little practice.
I think I want to try going to more events now.
That's a great idea.
The more you practice, the easier it gets.
Maybe next time I'll start a conversation myself.
I'll be there to cheer you on.
Thanks, Sarah. I'm lucky to have you.